Open data at its best sharpens accountability, supports economic growth, and informs choices over public services. We have an open peer-to-peer culture, and that's fostering a new generation who use those open data tools and systems to transform our architecture, our environment, and our society for the better. And the potential rewards are enormous.
We ran the Open Data Spring series because we really wanted to expand and raise the awareness and knowledge of open data into much wider forums, both within government and across the rest of society.
Government creates a lot of information as it carries out its various functions, and that's owned by you and me, the taxpayer. It's publicly funded, and so the public should be able to use that information for whatever purposes they want.
We publish many types of data to public users using a Creative Commons license, and we really have seen the power of open data in informing citizens and providing sources of, I guess, trusted and authoritative data for other people to reuse.
By not sharing data with the public, for organizations, they miss the opportunity to enable their consumers, their clients, but also the citizens to make better decisions.
Most of our open data offerings are geospatial, that is to say they're maps or map content. And I guess the thing about the recovery, the earthquake recovery, is that almost everything that's happened in Canterbury has happened in a place. And so place is by far the best way to understand what's going on, where we're heading, where we've come from, and to help, I suppose, to help our community chart a course for recovery.
Thundermaps warns people about dangerous locations, and we use open data to do that. We know where our users are, and we know where the dangerous things are, and we send alerts to people when they should be avoiding things that could hurt them.
We work with the Human Rights Commission to help them report on some indicators, and specifically tracking equality at work indicators. And so how we use open data to help an organization tell these stories, and then which can then hopefully lead to better outcomes so that government and people can make smarter and better decisions.
The great thing about publishing data with an open license is the number of things that come out of it, out of that publication, that you never could have predicted, So we publish our own data for our own purposes. We hold and manage that data for our agency. But other people find that data really useful. They take that and they build other product that we never would have been motivated to provide. So I think I guess the community finds this enrichment from other people casting a different lens across our data and telling their own story.
I think the story of open data is just beginning. It's not yet at a stage where the initial early gains have been seen. There's a lot of talk, and there's, I think, a lot of front running about what is it that could come, but the story of open data is just beginning, and for businesses and organisations that take hold of this and get to the inevitable outcome first, I think they'll be in a really good position.